Has friendly even fired? Why did we bring him along?
Exactly. I've killed 3 people. Y'all haven't heard a single shot.
I hear a vehicle.
You look like an officer.
Vehicle moving to the east or south.
Oh,
Wait.
that BMP is what we need to worry about. Oh my
Yeah.
god, it's in front of us!
I'm healing. Hold.
Blood!
Hold, please! Hold!
Oh,
Hold!
we're fucking dead!
Got it!
Oh my.
Dismount!
Shoot 'em.
Please shoot them!
I'm down.
I got you, buddy. I got you. Hold in there. Oh! 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 Don't look up.
Oh my
Don't look
god.
over that. We're good. We're good. It's just the devil on the other side of this fucking...
I don't think this wall will hold.
It's gonna hold.
the door!
It's gonna have to.
Hold the door! Oh,
Are we getting shot from the south?
I don't know, but it just killed me, I think. Oh, I'm back.
I think we're getting shot from the south.
Oh,